Hi everyone, welcome to this Shopify tutorial. My name is Andreas Waatz and today we're gonna learn about this. Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn how we can add a video to our Shopify product page. So I'm gonna add a video to this product. So I'm gonna add it between description and feature right here. So to do this, just go to your backend of your Shopify store. Click on products. So you can find it right here, or just search for it. Okay, click on the product. And add the marker where you want to have the video. So I want to have it right here. Then click on insert video. Insert the video by pasting the embed snippet in the box below. The embed snippet usually starts with this one. Alright. So I'm gonna add a video from YouTube. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, search for the video I want to have. You can also upload your own video to your own channel and do the same thing. Then click on the video, pause it, go to share, click on embed. So this is the code snippet. We can also customize it. We can start the video from 10 seconds in, like that. We can show player controls, yes or no. I'm gonna choose no. Enable privacy enhance mode. When you turn on privacy enhance mode, YouTube won't store information about visitors on your website unless they play the video. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. Then you have YouTube API Terms of Service. You can right click, open link in new tab, and read the Terms of Service about sharing this video. If you accept, just click on copy. Go back to your Shopify store and paste the code snippet right here. Click on insert video. Alright, so now we have the video right here. If you want to change the size, you can click on show HTML and find the code snippet right here. And you can change width from 560 to whatever you like, and height from 315 to whatever you like. Okay? Then click on show editor and see the size right here. When you are satisfied, just click on save. Then we can go and have a look. Click on view. Go down. And now we have the video right here between description and feature. If I click on the video, right here, the video starts 10 seconds into the video. Alright? Okay everyone, so this is how you add a video to your Shopify product page in 2019. I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope this was an helpful tutorial. If you want more of these videos, you can subscribe to my channel right here. You can check out my playlist right here and my latest video right here. Okay, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.